Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer Canon MG5700 printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, here I have Wi-Fi, and as you can see, I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi network right now. So to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi, just scroll down, find Setup here, click on Setup button, then scroll right, find Device Settings, scroll down, find LAN Settings, then scroll down, find Wireless LAN Setup, click on it, wait a while, and great. Here, choose Standard Setup if you want to set up using normal Wi-Fi password. Choose VPS if you want to connect using VPS on your router, so you can push on VPS button on your router and connect to your printer without the password. Other setup is if you want to use hidden network, and I will use Standard Setup. So if you want to connect using normal password, just click Standard Setup, choose here your network you want to connect, but as you can see, this printer can support 5G networks, so this printer will support only 2.4 Wi-Fi networks. So in my case it's hard reset, and then you need to enter the password. So click OK and just enter the password. If you want to write letters, so just find the letter you want to write, for example E, and great, E letter was successfully written. But if you want to write big letters, so click on this button, on middle button. As you can see, letters are big now. If you want to write symbols and I don't know what you want to write, commas, stars, hashes, so just click on this button again, and here you will see numbers, symbols and other. And if you want to switch back to the normal small letters, so just click on this button again. So we have three modes of input. I have very simple password from my Wi-Fi network, so it's just hard reset. Then click Done. Click End Setup. And great, connected to the wireless router. So go back to home, click OK and go back to home, and as you can see, Wi-Fi button is lighting here on the right top corner of my screen. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.